Hello folks, on day 3 of our 4 days tour. At the moment we are at Plitvice Lakes, so we are doing Plitvice Lakes, Zagreb capital town, and we will take overnight Ljubljana, Slovenia. At the moment we are in front of entrance 1. There are 2 entrances, entrance 1 and entrance 2. Also you have a few routes what you can choose. Trail A, B, C and K. K is the longest one. People who like the hiking all day. A is the shorter one, B is combination with boat, so lower lake and boat on higher lake, and C is combination of the boat. So let's go to see what Plitvice has to offer. And hello from Zagreb. We are on the square of the King Tomislav, the first king of Croatian nation in 9th century. So quite warm. Let's take a short walk and see what Zagreb has to offer.
Postrgala je ovoga što i se. Ovo je neka stvarno to išao kalorij. Baš ono, ovo nije napisano.
Okay, now we are entering to Greece tunnel. Grički tunnel. So this is actually Grički top. Yeah, we are in front of Museum of Broken Relationships. Hello from Croatia! Oh. And folks, here we are. Ljubljana Grand Plaza Hotel, really nice hotel with nice food. Our yellow or žutko bus transfer us with a warp too. So I hope you're enjoying this video from today. If you like it, if you want to support us, like, comment and share, and see you in the next video. Thank you.